So wizards, you have finished your astronomy class and now it is time to make a constellation luminary. And I can't wait to show you how this is going to work. For this project, you'll need your template. You have a little LED candle, some stars, a thumbtack, a little piece of foam, and then you'll need scissors and you'll also need some tape. So let me show you what you're going to do. To begin with, you're going to want to cut out your template. And this is going to make a cube. All right, so now I've cut this out and I'm going to show you just ahead of time which parts will be the bottom and which will be the top so that you can design your luminary. So to make your luminary, you're going to want to fold along each dotted line. And this will begin to form a box, or in math terms, a cube. And then you want to fold along each of the tabs so that they also are folded. So for this project, I want you to keep in mind that this one is going to be the top of your luminaries. And this one, and these are the sides, and this is the bottom. So I'm just gonna write with a pencil here so I know not to do anything with it, a B, because that's the bottom of my luminary, okay? And then this one is going to be the top. Now, this is where your thumbtack and your piece of foam will come in handy. You are going to make little holes all over your luminary so that light shines through it. And for my first design, I actually, and you can find these in your notebook, I'm going to do a Leo the lion because I am a Leo and that is my birth month. So I'm gonna draw the dots the way they look in my notebook as best I can. And if it's not perfect, that's okay. So that's my Leo the lion. I'm going to put the piece of foam underneath where I'm going to poke the holes with my thumbtack. And that way the pin is just going into the foam, see? And not into my table or desk or wherever you happen to be working. So you'll punch out your designs. So this is going to be my Leo the lion because my birth month is in August. You can do whatever you want. If you want to do a different pattern in your luminary, you can make another pattern. Maybe because it's a luminary, I'll do a star. That will actually be upside down, so I need to turn it this way because you want to think about how it's going to look when you fold it. So I want to do it this way. And then I'm going to just do a poke at each point. And you just want to remember to always keep the foam pad underneath. You can do other designs, maybe on this one, on this piece, maybe I'll do the letter J for Jessica for my name. And then on the top one here, I think I will do a lightning bolt because of Harry Potter. There we go. So now I've done my lightning bolt, some stars, my constellation, and a J for my name. I'm going to now fold this up so that I can begin to tape it together. If you want to use glue instead of tape, you certainly can. You'll just have to hold it until it's dry. And I do like the way these look with glue, so if you feel like taking the time to do glue, that's great. Now I am leaving this untaped, and the reason for that is so that I can reach in and put in my luminary. And I can set it right in here and I'll light it up in a minute, so you'll see it. But before I do that, your kit also includes some stars, so you can decorate the outside of your design with some stars if you choose to. This makes a great little night light. You can keep it in your room, or for a special occasion, you could put it on your dining room table. My J is backwards. I guess don't do that. Okay, so here we go. And I'm going to turn on my little light. And it looks like a little candle inside of there. And now I'm gonna shut off the lights in this room so that you can see how it glows. That's my lightning bolt. I did a lot of holes in that one, but you can see that's how the luminary works. And there's my little candle on the bottom.